Okay, this is changing the kill switch on a Robin 6.0 EX17 pressure washer engine. Very complicated process here. Okay, there's the old switch that you can tell looks a little different from the new one. Okay. So basically all this does is grounds out the ignition, so then you have no spark. Let's see if it works. Okay, we have another thing we need to fix on this, and it's to do with the governor, because this thing screams at full throttle, so we can't let it run for very long.